Win, fall, run, France, run, win. This is your friend James. We run, we win. This is your friend James. Meiji, strawberry. I think I did one already on the chocolate one a while ago. But apparently this strawberry and caramel. It has several definitions, several pronunciations. Oh, look at the little cute guy. Kind of smells like a cheese snack. Who never tried these? Got a little stuff on the inside. Oh, they're different little things. Oh, okay, different little things. It's good. I'm not a strawberry fan. There's a hit. They did a good job.